हाय गाइज, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कैसे टोटल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं इसका वर्किंग रूल। इन टोटल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन पी डी एक्स प्लस क्यू डी वाई प्लस आर डी जेड इज इक्वल टू 0 इफ पी क्यू are homogeneous function of same degree in xyz। ये होमोजेनियस फंक्शन हो पी क्यू आर सेम डिग्री के साथ xyz में, then this equation is called homogeneous total differential equation and we solve equation by this method. Put x is equal to uz and y equal to vz. Differentiate dx is equal to udz plus zdu and dy is equal to vdz plus zdv. Now we put this value of x, y, dx, dy in given equation first and we use separation of variable. इस इक्वेशन में हम x, y, dx, dy का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और हम सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल मेथड का यूज करेंगे, तब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। The given total differential equation is x minus y of dx minus x dy plus z dz is equal to 0, which is in the form of p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0, where now we find partial differentiation of p with respect to y is equal to -1, q with respect to x -1, r with respect to x 0, p with respect to z 0 इसका, and q with respect to z 0, r with respect to y 0. Now we put these values in this and we get x minus y of 0 minus 0 plus minus of x of 0 minus 0 plus z of -1 plus 1 all equal to 0. Therefore condition of integrability is satisfied. And hence given total differential equation is integrable. Here PQR are homogeneous function of same degree in xyz. Therefore to solve given equation we put x equal to uz and y equal to vz. Differentiate then dx equal to udz plus zdu and dy equal to vdz plus zdv. We put these values of x, dx, y, dy in given equation this. First, after putting the value of x, y, dx and dy in given equation first, we get this. Now we solve it, taking z as a common and then z contain all terms, dividing by z we get this. Now we integrating it, we get twice log z plus log of u square minus twice uv plus 1 is equal to log c. Using this formula, f dash c by fc is equal to log of fc, and log z square of u square minus twice uv plus 1 is equal to log c, and z square of u square minus twice uv plus 1 is equal to c. हमने इसे पहले पुट किया था x इक्वल टू यू जेड एंड y इक्वल टू वी जेड. Therefore u equal to xyz and v equal to yz. We put these values in this equation and we get x square minus twice xy plus z square is equal to c, which is the required solution of given differential equation. इसी तरीका से हम और भी प्रश्न को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं.